Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of woodworking and explore unique wooden projects that can elevate your home decor while offering exciting business opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner, our videos are designed to inspire creativity and provide valuable insights into the art of woodworking. From elegant decorative pieces to functional items that bring warmth and character to any space, we showcase a variety of projects that not only enhance your living environment, but also have the potential to generate profit. Join us as we share tips, techniques, and inspiring ideas that empower you to transform simple wood into stunning creations. With a focus on sustainability and craftsmanship, we believe in the beauty of handmade items and the joy they bring to our homes. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of creativity and entrepreneurship, you're in the right place. If you've made it this far into the video, we truly appreciate your interest and hope you're enjoying the content as much as we love creating it. Your support means the world to us. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting woodworking projects and home decor ideas. If you found value in what you've watched, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also be inspired by these unique wooden creations. We encourage you to stay with us until the end, as we have plenty of valuable tips and surprises in store that you won't want to miss. Together, let's build a community of craft lovers and woodworking enthusiasts so you can keep up with our latest updates and projects. Thank you for being here, and let's continue this creative journey together. Creating a thriving business centered around unique wooden projects for home decor involves understanding the market trends, customer preferences, and the artistry of woodworking. The demand for handcrafted items has surged as consumers increasingly seek distinctive pieces that reflect their personal style and values. By focusing on quality and originality, artisans can carve out a niche in this growing market, appealing to both homeowners and gift-givers alike. One key factor in building a successful wooden craft business is identifying your target audience. Knowing who your ideal customers are, whether they are young professionals, families, or retirees, can help tailor your products and marketing strategies effectively. Understanding their preferences allows you to create designs that resonate with them, making your offerings more appealing and increasing sales potential. In today's competitive landscape, establishing a strong brand identity is crucial. A well-defined brand not only communicates your values and vision, but also helps differentiate your products from others in the market. By crafting a compelling story around your wooden projects, you can engage customers on a deeper level, fostering loyalty and encouraging repeat purchases. Emphasizing sustainability in your crafting process can also enhance your appeal. As more consumers become environmentally conscious, showcasing your commitment to using eco-friendly materials and practices can set you apart. Highlighting the sustainability of your wood sources and production methods can attract a clientele that values ethical consumption, adding another layer of appeal to your products. Marketing your wooden crafts effectively is essential for growth. Utilizing social media platforms allows you to reach a wider audience and showcase your creations in visually captivating ways. Engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes looks at your crafting process or customer testimonials, can create a community around your brand. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can also provide valuable exposure. These events allow you to connect with customers face-to-face, receive immediate feedback, and build relationships within your community. Such interactions can lead to word-of-mouth referrals, increasing your visibility and customer base over time. An online presence is equally important. Setting up an e-commerce website or utilizing platforms like Etsy can significantly expand your reach. By optimizing your online store with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and user-friendly navigation, you can create an enticing shopping experience that encourages conversions. Networking with other artisans and business owners can lead to valuable collaborations and partnerships. Sharing resources, ideas, and experiences can foster growth and innovation within your business. Collaborations can also introduce your products to new audiences, broadening your customer base and enhancing your brand's reputation. Investing in continuous learning is vital for staying competitive in the woodworking industry. Engaging in workshops, online courses, or industry conferences can help you refine your skills, learn new techniques, and stay updated on market trends. This commitment to growth not only improves your craftsmanship but also enhances your overall business acumen. Customer feedback is a powerful tool for growth. Actively seeking and listening to customer opinions can provide insights into what works and what doesn't. By making adjustments based on this feedback, you can enhance your product offerings and ensure that you meet the evolving needs of your audience. Creating a diverse product range can also attract a wider audience. Offering various wooden projects, such as home decor, gifts, or seasonal items, can cater to different customer preferences and occasions. This versatility not only broadens your market reach, but also increases the potential for sales throughout the year. Establishing a reliable supply chain is crucial for maintaining consistency in your production. Building relationships with trustworthy suppliers can ensure that you have access to high-quality materials while keeping costs manageable. A stable supply chain can enhance your ability to meet customer demands and maintain product quality, which is essential for building a reputable brand. Pricing your products appropriately is a strategic decision that can impact your business's success. Conducting market research to understand competitor pricing and your target audience's willingness to pay can help you establish a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your craftsmanship while ensuring profitability. Utilizing effective inventory management practices can streamline your operations. Keeping track of your materials, finished products, and sales can help you identify trends and manage your resources efficiently. This organization can reduce waste, improve cash flow, and enhance your overall business performance. Fostering a strong online community around your brand can drive engagement and loyalty. Encouraging customers to share photos of your products in their homes or to tag your business in their posts can create a sense of belonging and community. This user-generated content not only serves as authentic marketing, but also strengthens the connection between your brand and your customers. Incorporating seasonal promotions and special offers can entice customers to make purchases. Limited-time discounts, holiday-themed products, or exclusive collections can create a sense of urgency, encouraging buyers to act quickly. These strategies can boost sales during peak seasons and keep your business top of mind for customers. Adapting to changing market trends is essential for long-term success. Keeping a pulse on industry developments and consumer preferences can help you pivot when necessary. Staying flexible and open to change ensures that your wooden craft business remains relevant and competitive in a dynamic marketplace. Building an email list can also be a valuable asset. Regularly communicating with your subscribers through newsletters can keep them informed about new products, promotions, and behind-the-scenes content. This direct line of communication fosters a sense of connection and encourages repeat purchases. Leveraging online advertising can further enhance your visibility. Utilizing platforms like Facebook or Instagram for targeted ads can help you reach specific demographics that align with your ideal customer profile. This strategic approach can drive traffic to your online store and increase overall sales. Creating instructional content, such as tutorials or crafting tips, can position you as an authority in the woodworking space. Offering valuable insights not only engages your audience, but also establishes your expertise. This content can attract potential customers who appreciate your knowledge and may be more inclined to purchase from you. Engaging with customer inquiries and providing exceptional service can foster loyalty. Promptly addressing questions, offering personalized recommendations, and ensuring a smooth purchasing process can enhance the overall customer experience. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business. Exploring wholesale opportunities can also boost revenue. Partnering with local retailers or boutiques to carry your wooden crafts can expand your reach and introduce your products to new customers. This avenue can provide a steady income stream and increase your brand's visibility in physical retail spaces. Utilizing analytics tools can help you track your business performance. Monitoring metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer demographics can provide valuable insights into what strategies are working and where improvements are needed. This data-driven approach can guide your decision-making and help you refine your business strategy for continued growth. Creating a customer loyalty program can incentivize repeat purchases. Offering rewards for frequent buyers or referrals can encourage customers to return and spread the word about your brand. This strategy not only enhances customer retention but also increases the likelihood of new customer acquisition through referrals. Investing in quality photography is essential for showcasing your products. High-resolution images that highlight the details and craftsmanship of your wooden projects can significantly enhance your online presence. Professional photography can make your products more appealing and encourage potential buyers to engage with your brand. Adopting a storytelling approach in your marketing can resonate with consumers. Sharing the inspiration behind your wooden projects or the journey of your craftsmanship can create a personal connection with your audience. This narrative can make your brand more relatable and memorable, fostering a deeper emotional connection with customers. Regularly assessing your business goals and strategies can ensure that you stay on track for growth. Setting measurable objectives and reviewing your progress can help you identify areas for improvement and celebrate your achievements. This reflective practice can keep your business aligned with your vision and mission. In conclusion, crafting unique wooden projects for home decor offers a wealth of opportunities for business growth. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and customer engagement, artisans can create a thriving business that not only meets market demands but also reflects their passion for woodworking. Embracing innovation, building a strong brand, and connecting with customers are key elements that will drive success in this rewarding industry. We put a tremendous amount of effort and resources into preparing this video, and we truly hope you found it inspiring and valuable. Your support is incredibly important to us, and we'd be grateful if you could take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Every click and share helps us continue creating high-quality content that fuels our passion for woodworking and home decor. Thank you so much for watching. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting projects and ideas in the future. We put a tremendous amount of effort and resources into preparing this video, and we truly hope you found it inspiring and valuable. Your support is incredibly important to us, and we'd be grateful if you could take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Every click and share helps us continue creating high-quality content that fuels our passion for woodworking and home decor. Thank you so much for watching. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting projects and ideas in the future.